Hey guys, welcome to Ben Wrenchin. My name is Ben, and today I'm wrenching on my 2008 Infiniti FX35, doing an oil change. And while I'm waiting, I'm going to jump on the bandwagon that I've seen recently that uses a steam cleaner to clean out the engine bay. I've got this little steam cleaner that I got at Goodwill for $8, but I will link one similar to that in the description. They're around $50 from what I've seen, but I'm going to use that to clean up this engine bay real quick and see how well it works. All right, my final verdict. It didn't do too hot. I've still got some dirt on this cover, which I was really hoping it was going to shine that up. I was able to get in some crevices that I don't normally scrub up when I clean out this engine bay. It did shine up my caps really well, which I like that. Cleaned up my info plate a little bit. So overall, minimal effort and minimal results, but it does look better. So is it worth it? I got mine for $8. I've used it for other things, clean out the interior and such. It works pretty well for that. I would not go out and spend $50 on this and think that it's a super easy way to clean your engine bay. You get less than optimal results, but it does look better. So if you're gonna buy one for other stuff, I'd say go for it. Otherwise, I would not spend $50 on this and expect that your engine bay is gonna look brand new. So that's it for this video. I just wanted to try it out because I've seen it on YouTube a lot lately. Hope it helps you guys decide if you're thinking about getting one of these, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.